Hello, my name is Zoe McDonald and I'm so excited to talk to you today about the colors that are possible here in the Pacific Northwest. So for the past 25 years, I have been teaching people how to naturally dye, and last 7 of which I have been partnering with Indigenous knowledge keepers to teach natural dyeing through the balance of science and traditional knowledge. Specifically in the Pacific Northwest, so British Columbia, Washington, Oregon, a little bit into Northern California, and also Southern Alaska. So very focused on foraging and making our own dyes from nature using plants, mushrooms, and lichens. Now I have taken all of that and put it in a book. The book has about 60 different species. We've got native plants. Oh, we've got an eagle flying overhead. We've got plants you can grow. We also have invasive species. We've got lots of mushrooms and lichens. These 240 colors and over 11 kilometers of dyed yarn samples all wrapped up in a book that is meant to be a love letter to our beautiful forest. Besides being a natural dyer, I'm also an ecologist. I'm a wildlife biologist. And the reason I wanted to do this book, to get people interested in being out and foraging responsibly, to encourage you to get out and explore some nature and see what is happening in your area, what colors you can make, and what you can be involved in to help protect it. Now, the other really important thing to note about this book is this is a very Canadian endeavor. It's written by a Canadian here in Vancouver, British Columbia, edited by Canadians, published by local publisher 910 Publishing, as well as being printed in Canada on 100% recycled paper. Even my trusty camera person is Canadian.